Look, a pizza box. You want to see me slice some cheese? A lot of people shred the cheese. I don't like shredding the cheese.
How come?
Get a different mouthfeel. It tastes better this way.
What's the most pizzas you can make in a day?
I think I've topped out at like 80. Cool, so these two we're going to dress. One thing that bothers me about Pizza in Montreal is people don't put enough stuff on it.
How long you cook it for?
About 3 minutes.
What's the temperature?
That's at around 650 Fahrenheit. This dough is structured to bake at 650.
Okay.
Smells ready.
Ooh, the sizzle.
Lovely crust, pepperoni, mozzarella.
Nice, proper way to break a fast.
Yeah, man, welcome back to the real world.